Good morning. Welcome to another episode of Run Daily 55's Old School Music Review Podcast. This morning it's about the gospel groups, and I'll feature Nightingale Jubalaires. They were a cappella group that appeared on many compilations, but they had different spellings of their names to not be confused with the Jubalaires that were more famous than them. You can listen to the pieces standing at the bedside of a neighbor, rough and rocky road, Lord hold my hand. I cannot find the members of this group, but it was a nice group, but they're usually overlooked because of their similar name to the Jubalaires. Work for the label Downbeat. So until next time, hope you have a great day. Remember, God loves you. Jesus is the only way.